Hello viewers, welcome to this unboxing video review on the Bandai Namco Banpresto Butareba Relax Time Jess figure. Alright, so let's take a look at this big box from front to back, left to right, top to bottom. Alright, and I picked up this figure from my local hobby store, and I did mention it is a big box. I got this for a reasonable price, and I am an anime figure collector as well, so I decided to pick this up and see what I'm going to get out of it, because it's not just a big box. Apparently it feels like it's a big figure. It comes with this figure here and this figure here, and it's pretty heavy, so I got the feeling that I got my money's worth. So let's find out once I unbox this particular figure, okay, and see what I'm going to get. So let's get started here. The box itself looks pretty good, so hopefully the figure looks exactly like what's in front of the box here. Okay. Oh, it's in pieces. This is really good. That means it's a big figure. Oh, okay, it's just a head. All right, so that's all it comes with. Just by the looks of it, giant figure. I'm already happy about it. Now let's take a look at the actual figure itself. See the quality in the sculpt. First of all, the pig. Oh, isn't that cute? Look at that. Okay, the texture, the quality, not bad at all. Easy to assemble. Very well sculpted, well detailed, like what I'm looking at right now. Because it's lying down, it will pose pretty well with the rest of my figures that are already standing up. And there you have it. Wow, very nice figure. Right, so if you are a anime figure collector, I definitely recommend this. And once again, that is Bandai Namco Banpresto Butareba Relax Time Jess figure. All right, thanks for watching.